Hi everyone, Nikki from nikkihaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back to our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be working on a tomato basil soup. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. Okay, we're ready to start our tomato basil soup. So the first thing we've done is we put some oil in our little Instant Pot here and it's gotten to hot. So now we're just going to saute our garlic. We've sauteed our garlic. Now we're going to add in our diced and crushed tomatoes, our vegetable broth, our sugar, and our spices, as well as the cashews. It's a tight fit this one, but it's fine. So we've mixed it well, and we're going to put our lid on. Make sure this is set to seal, and we are going to pressure cook for 5 minutes. Once that 5 minutes is up, you're going to allow it to manually release for 5 minutes, and then we're going to finish it off with a quick release.
A few minutes later. Oh no!
Here is our tomato basil soup. So what we did was we waited until it was finished cooking, and then we took the lid off, we put in the basil, and then we used an immersion blender until it got to the consistency that we wanted it to be. So a couple things to note. Use the immersion blender, take your time. Don't try to rush it by putting it into a blender because you end up with tomato basil soup on the ceiling.
Go!
I hope you enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. You can find the recipe in the description of the video. And thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next week.